For done for you products, shop my storefront, link in comments. Hey guys, today I'm showing you how to create a bundle sticker bundle and do it the easy way. So you go into chat, you would click create new project. You want to name your project so you can save it for future references. After you do that, you want to type a very clear prompt. The prompt needs to be clear and direct so that chat can follow it. So the prompt that I use as an example, I just said I want to create a bundle of planner girls for Black History Month. Each woman will be wearing a different outfit of Black history attire, dress, skirts, pants, jackets, etc. Each woman will have a different hairstyle, some with Afrocentric hairstyles. Each one will have different poses. I want them all to be on one sheet. The sheet should be a 8x5 sheet. Each woman should be surrounded by white space so that I can separate them later. Now make sure your prompt is very clear. You can also tell it to give you a transparent background, and that may make it a little easier, but I did it this way. I suggest that you only do 5 people to characters to a page to make sure you have enough space, and you'll understand why in just a minute. So that was it, typing out my prompt. I hand typed it, guys, and so it took me a little minute to do that. Now the next thing that you want to make sure you do it after you get your prompt in this box, the only thing you touch is that little plus sign right there to the left of where it's typing. You want to go up and click create image, and then you just leave it alone and watch it do its magic. You got to give it time, guys. It will generate. It doesn't take that long. Just trust the process, okay? Once it creates your images, you want to make sure you hold down, save your images to your photos so you can go over to Canva. You want to open up Canva. You're going to open up a custom file. You want to create custom 2000 by 2000 pixels is what that was, and it's going to give you a big white box, okay? See, 2000 by 2000 pixels. Opens up your box. Now I added an orange background so you guys can see it better as I remove the background, and it won't be so white and you can tell what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna upload those images, that bundle pack that I just did, that sheet. I think mine has 6 on it, so it did make it a little harder. That's why I recommend 5. Spread them out. You're going to remove the background. Now here I duplicated all my pages to have them to work with. It was 6 women, so I wanted 6 different pages, but I should have removed my background first. So go ahead and do that. So I'll delete them, remove the background, and then I added those pages. The point of adding 6 pages was because I want 1 page per lady, okay? You can do 2, whatever you want to do is your choice. Then I just start sliding in my areas to make sure that I could get rid of everything and drag her out. And see, that one worked perfect. I just had to slide over a little bit more. Now on my next one, it was a little more challenging, and because they were closer than I wanted them to be, it was a little harder for me to actually get her separated and by herself. So after I did this lady, I went down to my next image. They're all on the next page, and I start sliding in. Okay, but as I started to slide in, I realized the one on the right, I couldn't get rid of that little black space on her arm like I wanted to. So let me show you another way to do that. I'm going to show you using this one. You remove your background, you go up to edit, you want to go to Magic Studio, and there's something called Magic Grab. Once you click Magic Grab, you touch one at a time. It grabs her. I can pick her up, click on her, drag her to a new page, and voila, I've separated them. So I can do that each time and separate them, or I can select them all at once. I hope this helped. Follow for more. Love you guys.